Hi guys! Today we're on the phone with some green card problems. So I said let me turn the camera on and get you guys involved. Guys, I am on the phone with my dear friend from way back in high school. And he's there with some girl and he went to pick up his green card and the girl is not giving him the green card. My dear friend from high school, what's going on?
Well, we just here right now. The cops are here. This girl come out and see me all along, and she not try to come to me and try to something, but she want to operate the nail. For what I don't know. And as soon as the cops arrived, she started to come out with her mom and yelling and shouting and screaming all over the place. For no reason at all.
So what are you doing at her place?
She directed the meal over here. I have my meal coming to where I live at. But member said she's the one who married to, and I get the thing together, my case thing together.
So the mail come with a green card?
The mail, it shows that the mail is going to come here, right, at this address. This will come to pick it up, but it is not here as yet. So go to the post office, and the post office said it is out for delivery. And on the phone, it is saying that it should arrive by 4 p.m. this easily. But you know, sometimes it is not accurate enough, so rather to hear early than to delete. Because she sends messages and threatening me that she's not going to give me my green card. For what reason, I don't know. I know me, I look on the UPS truck across the block, the US Postal truck, and they here with 4 police officers. She was just coming here screaming. They told her to go back inside because she didn't want to talk at first, so they don't want to speak with her now. She's just here and there with it. I don't know what is going on. They're telling me to fill out some form right now. In my name, telling me the reason why I called Tutti and all of that.
So who you think in the right? You think you have the right for just go pick up your green card?
Of course, it's my name on it and it's my photo that is on it. And anything that comes behind it, it is going to follow me. You know, and I have my meal coming into Queens, and this girl go behind my back and go on the case file and everything, and change the address and direct it over here in Brooklyn. Direct it to here in Brooklyn. For what reason, I don't have a clue. Been together for 3 years. She's been putting me outside. She take away my car key, put me outside in the cold. I have to call the cops before for them to come and retrieve me or try to let me go back inside and deal with the situation. So, oh, am I not supposed to get my green card? I've been paying bills for this girl. I'm the one who providing. She's not working. She doesn't work. It seems I've lately she got a job. So what am I supposed to do? That's my main question.
You can't just get the green card and leave the girl.
She didn't give me my work permit and all of that. That's like so I could work and do whatever I want. But no, I got a 2-year green card. Then no, I'm going to get a 10-year. So what is going to happen? She want to hold on to the 10-year green card for what? I never want to hold on to the 2-year one. She did years so I'll go old man and shit. Like me no know what man and yamo or whatever kind me not into that. And he trying to be involved in the whole situation for what I don't know. Okay. Alright. So that's the post office guy who driving the truck. He's the one who he's not the one who's doing the delivery, but he's giving us further updates on like what to expect the lady and all that.
So you're gonna stay out at the house until your mail come?
Outside in the parking lot. I look out for the lady going in. I look out for the lady to go inside to put the mails in the boxing. So whenever she's going to do that, I'm going to ask her for my meal, for my individual meal. She have all right to give it to me.
This is some sad story. So no consideration for the girl we give the green card?
The consideration is there's a lot more to it than what we're just talking about. There's a lot more to it. She's been sending me a lot of text messages, threatening me about like A lot of stuff. I don't know what's the reason, what's the problem. I don't know why this girl is acting like this. I don't know why she acting like this on me.
Something happened. Something happened. There's two sides to a story.
This girl mother don't like me. This girl mother don't like me. None at all for what I don't know. And I've never told them nothing at all. Why she don't like me? Because I'm a person who don't like to talk up to people, and I just stay by myself whenever I'm even in around their states or circle because she have a son, which is not my son. And he doesn't have a father, and I am the one who is fathering that son. So all you expect me to deal with this situation, this is not right. This is unfair in every single way. You can't promise that. You can't tell anybody that. And if somebody's gonna tell me that I am wrong, I think you're just kind of not getting the whole point of the story. Not because it's the word green card, and we know how it goes in America with green card. Not because of that. We're not going to just let because it's America and you know persons are trying to obtain a green card or whatever situation that may come. I have all the right to obtain my stuff. I have all the right to obtain my stuff. I don't care what nobody wants to say. It's mine and I need it. That's why I'm here to collect it.
What you mean? Collect your green card, yeah, my friend.
You know, we have to laugh. We have to laugh. We have to laugh. Because at the end of the day, she's just trying to be dumb. And even the officers that just came here, they're even telling us that, listen, this girl is just trying to be a pain in the ass.
You don't think that girl is just hurt from being used for the green card?
Hurt from being used with the green card. What? Remember, we're not together for like. She was the one who proposed it, and so she wanted to do something with me. I wanted to give me a green card. I never asked her. Oh, I never go down on my knee and ask this girl for nothing at all. You don't hear what I'm telling you. Like, I'm the drive of this everything that is going on. I have my place and I left from my place and come to this girl place with her mom. They have a 2-bedroom hotel. We live together and I am the provider for them. Because none of them work. I never know a situation until I get into the situation. So look into it and tell me basically, what am I doing wrong? I take up myself and I left and go get a place just to come from in the space of our mother and go back over in a Queen's custody and get me a place and she come there and she come with her son and everything. And me I cook for them, me I do everything. And me I work and me I bring in money, me I do whatever I'm supposed to do. And if I go driving work and little thing me getting in me take you and go and go make money and do what I'm supposed to do. Amazon, Flex, Uber, DoorDash, all of that. Because you know I'm firing with it. I want to do what I have to do though. Like why I want to be a moron against me now? I'm gonna be why the reason why I'm here is because it's gonna be in my back. I send the mail come a booklet. I'm gonna start off the mail is supposed to go to Queen. So why the mail gonna be over here so? What would the mail reach over here? The mail not of this is over here, son. And then the walk up, come and scream up and at people face and chat. They should look at her in America because if it was in Jamaica,
Don't say that.
she's rude. She is rude. She's very rude. And there is nobody to tell her that she's wrong with the whole situation. And it's an attack that I am not even with the half a walk one. And now one of that that even like her. Una that I go she heaved her she did chance that. But you know, parents be like, they're gonna always deal for their child regardless. You know what I mean? And some things that is just about our mother. It is unbearable, unbelievable. God believe me. I don't know.
Well, guys, this is my friend from way back in high school. He knows that I'm recording this conversation. You know, he seemed to be in distress, and I tell him, let me post it on my channel and see what other people have to say. So he knows that I am recording this conversation.
They know people could add a little to it, but you don't know until you know the fullness of a situation because a lot of situations happen many different ways. Not every situation because it is on a green card is the same. Even when I get up and I spend my money and I do whatever I'm supposed to do, so I understand. You decide, so well, we will have a bit together and we'll never do whatever, so what is the problem? Let me be then. You take your part of the side of the road, I mean take my side of the part of the road, I'll continue. This is not a big enough for fan of fight. Just call the police because I want to be on the safer side.
Can I say something? From a woman's point of view, I can understand this woman probably feel that she was used for the green card, and it's not a good feeling to feel that you were used for something as significant as a green card. I don't know what happened, what transpired between you two, but from a woman's perspective, I can tell you, if she was used for the green card, it's not gonna be easy for her to just take it like that. You know, she's gonna put up a fight and make you know that, you know, she don't feel too good about it. So probably that's what she's doing.
I even listened to your story to with the whole green card situation. And I understand where you're coming from too as well.
Is it anything like my story?
Basically, you have invested more and all of that, but this female is more laid back. This girl don't do nothing at all. And then you want to fight for green card and on top of this and top of that. What if you reckon meal to good with? That means you have something in the pocket, you're brilliant.
I don't know the situation. Me personally, I wouldn't care if you get a green card or not. Me is not Uncle Sam. Situation is the situation. It is what it is, and you just have to learn to move on.
She's not trying to move on. This is what is happening because if you want to hold on to the green card, that means you want to continue to have a problem or you want to continue to have to hold with it.
I don't know the situation, but I can tell this girl is really, really hurt. Something transpired between you two, and she feel like she was used for the green card, and she's just hurt about it. I don't know. I really don't know. She went back inside?
He's actually not inside, but at the door at the lobby to go in the building. I'm looking outside. Screaming, yelling, cussing a lot of expletives.
You guys are divorced?
We're not. We're not. So you can't say I'm using it for a green card when we're not divorced. Tell me. Oh, you're gonna say I'm using it for a green card when we're not divorced. That's my question.
I don't understand what you're saying clearly still, but...
You don't understand what I'm saying clearly is that we're still married on paper. Everything is alright. We're not even, it's like probably like a month ago now we have a problem. I would decide to, alright then, yeah, we'll go over this one, maybe go over here, so. And I like, there is room for improvement. Things can be fixed. But the type of person who she is, it just drives you, in a person where you don't want it to continue no more because it will drive it to put yourself in a lot of trouble. And I don't want to be in any trouble. So that's why I go back again and tell you that's why I call the cops.
Poor thing. I hope nobody get arrested today still, you know.
That's not the intention, you know? That's not the intention. So while I'm now here, my friend with me to just accompany me over here because I know like if I come by myself, probably it could be more drastic. Or please are rude and lying. They're even right now outside at the lobby. You're just screaming, yelling, shouting, making a lot of phone calls and all of that. We don't care.
Mine man pull up.
Mine man pull up police there. I just now got it.
Oh boy, it's a sad story. You know, me really I go post that one and hear what the people them have to say.
Everybody's gonna be like, oh guys, I was married 2 months ago, but it's because somebody don't know the fullness of occasion. Well, they could go ahead and say whatever. And there's gonna be a day where we can come around and give it the whole fullness from the start to the finish. But because my head is not in the right place at the moment, you just have to just break it and give it piece by piece. And the whole situation will happen right now.
Wow. I hope you get the green card. Today's Saturday. My lady probably not come yet, so you're probably gonna have a long wait. You're really gonna sit there and wait?
Yes, of course, this is mine. So this is my opportunity. I have my son back home in Jamaica, and I don't see my son for over like 4 years now. To be frank, like 4 years I don't see him, only on calls and stuff like that. I want to go home to go visit my son. It hurts me the most when my son asks me, Daddy, when you're coming.
You can't reason with your wife and see where her head is and figure out the situation and stuff like that.
Of course, we've been trying to reason and she don't want to reason. We've been trying to reason and she don't want to reason. So after leave the cat, I'll wear these. And then she do whatever she want, but she want to please herself by holding on to the stuff for no reason at all.
Well, the cops are still there, you say?
Yep. One set left and one is still here.
You're okay with me posting this?
I would love to go on and need the comments and see what are the thoughts, what are the reviews on it. And then when I see you what your subscribers are saying, I will definitely go ahead now and then give you the full story from the start to the finish, show the conversation, voice notes and all of that. That's all personal it could get.
And I'm gonna go ahead and post this because part 2, we want to know if you got the green card or not. Last question for you. Did you use this woman for the green card?
No, I never. To be with somebody for 3 years, that sounds like it's a youth. And I've been and got my 2-year green card. I was still need to get out, do whatever I was supposed to do, and living and eating and drinking and do whatever I was supposed to do. So, oh, me, I go use it.
I don't know. I'm just asking.
Yeah, I know, but I'm just asking for your opinion on that side too.
Personally, we're not supporting the men using the women for the green card. We definitely want to hear if you got that mail today.
Okay, you will definitely get out of it.
All right. Thank you so much for telling me your story, and I'll catch up with you in a few minutes. Guys, I'm sitting in the car, as you know. And I had to pop in and share this one. Yes, guys, we have to pop in and share this one. So let me know what you think. I really want to hear what you think, and we're gonna follow up with this story. So guess what? Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. And go tell your friend them say Drama Queen over here with more green card story.